YouTuber Steak made this Roblox game, which is called Catch a Fish. Please subscribe to Steak. Congrats on him hitting 7 mil. He just made it like today. Okay, today I'm playing with my sister Jara. Say hi.
No.
Okay. I don't know. You get that. Okay. Okay, it's called Catch a Fish. It was originally called Get Fat. And also we are playing with my sister's friend, Kason. Okay. He's a good friend of hers. And
I'm studying the middle.
I'm fat now. Low-key, I made a band video like 1 and 2. Though my sister was actually sad. And the speed whips. Thank you, developers. Like Dry Mask, being the best developer. Congrats. Being the best developer. And the he did a stream today. He did it and W. But I was filming maybe in the chat. So, the speed is perfect. I am so fat. No, I am so fat. Bro. I'm so fat. I am so fat, bro. I better mute that, bro. I better mute them. Yeah, it is. Is that the total mass? I wonder that. This game is the best game I think. Roblox. Steak is my favorite YouTuber. Not still. I was watching his streams like 18. I'm an OG. I have my OG profile still. Bro, Steak, change the boss, bro. It's not even working. It's just recent. If you watch this thing, you saw Steak and other developers, the UI artists, the people are good, and I will say a special thanks to the developers who made it, especially Steak. And I think I'm getting the most fat, bro. Give me the most fat, guys. Bro, look at this. This is like the rock music. I actually fat because you know the growling thing? It makes you fat and bigger. Yeah. Steak, you should host admin abuse. You should host admin abuse. If you have a nice day, totally. I'll mute them. Yo. this. Jai, Jai. Jai, Jai, Jai. Jai, Jai, Jai. We will do our outro now. If you have a nice day, please like and subscribe. And Steak will be in the link in the comments. His YouTube channel, and subscribe to him now. And bye bye.